forward to my vision board. But before that, I thank the universe who is going to give me abundance. And with that abundance, I want to achieve my vision. It's not only my vision, it's going to be my mission of the life. So with that, being a Hindu person, I have got the superpower. Lord Shiva is shielding here. Then I need a lot of energy for which I need to do my mission. Lord Surya Devi is there. Lord Kuber is also there, who is going to give me a lot of wealth. Laughing Buddha, and I'm going to be in abundance. Then I have an abundance check also. So with all these things, I'm a very small person as far as the universe is concerned. So I have a very small photo of myself. Going with all the abundances, I need to have a peace of mind, because that is only going to sail me through. So I have to do a lot of meditation, and for that, my inspiration is Lord Buddha. Now I'll take you to my vision board, and with a 3-point mission, I have created this vision board. The first thing is I want to earn a lot. I want to give, and I want to give more. That's the third point. Second is I want to give for the social causes. So going through that, my first point is health. Here I am more into jogging, exercise, and I do yoga on a daily basis. Due to pandemic, this is slowed down a bit, but then I'll be restarting it in my own house. Second is I'm planning to start my unit in June or July 2021, and I expect a monthly income of 3.5 lakhs, of which I always promise to donate 10% of my income. Going ahead, since I have a big dream, I need a strong team. I have a team of very good people who will be putting their heads and energies, and they'll be lighting the bulb for me so that I can go to the next level, wherein I'll be conducting the meeting of my companies, and then my big plant, which will come down sometime later by 2025. The third is my dream house and a dream car. The fourth is a social work, and I request everyone to join hands with me, because let's bring our hands together to spread happiness to the utmost. Here my first priority is to give education to the girl child. There are many other social goals which I'll be taking care, but the first and top priority is girl child education. Second comes to my family. Again, it is related to my education of my daughters. So the fifth point is the education for my daughters. Sixth, I need to do a lot of learning skills, and I need to be a very good public speaker. And I want to create a YouTube channel, master my public speaking skills, and use social media marketing. These three things I need to learn, and which is going to be on a priority basis, and I'll be focusing here. After that, as a family, we all like to enjoy. So we have plans to travel abroad and to India. The eighth is, I have to, since my responsibility is there, it's my responsibility is there to get my kids' wedding. So I have a planning all settled for that, which is already set for a particular day when my childs are ready or my daughters are ready to get married. It will happen. In addition, I'll be focusing on insurance of medical, term insurance, LIC policies, and investment in bonds. This is the eighth, and you must have seen on the border, I have created some small little similar buildings. Step by step, I'll be creating these buildings, which will be leading me towards the achievement of my goal. And my end goal of the life is to bring an IPO by 15th May 2030. The starting process of the IPO will begin on 20th of July 2029. My launch will be on 15th of May 2030. This is a very clear vision which I have visualized during the RYV program and the 21 days whatever I have learned. Going ahead, who is going to inspire me? The first person is Thomas Alva Edison. He is the person with all the 99 failures, he has never given up, and on the 100th time, he has achieved to build come up with a bulb. Second person is Ratan Tata. He is a great industrialist person. Above that, he is a man. He is a man not because he is a man, but he is a man because he takes care of each and every small problems of the persons who are along with him. It's not only the persons, including the animals, his pets, and all the persons he really taking care. I have last heard of him that during the COVID, somebody or rather his driver he had lost his life. He personally went to their house and gave them the check and gave them the employment and told them not to worry, I am there. It speaks volumes of a person. And the third is our Abdul Kalam ji. A dream is not that which you see which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. Believe me, जब से मैंने वो चेकबुक लिखा है चौहान सर, आप विश्वास नहीं करेंगे, मुझे नींद ज्यादा नहीं आती है, मैं जागता रहता हूँ। मुझे आगे करना क्या है, कैसे करना है, मैं उसमें संजोए में रखता हूँ। विजन बोर्ड, ये मेरी जिंदगी का पहला विजन बोर्ड मैंने बनाया है और इससे पहले मैंने कोई विजन बोर्ड नहीं बनाया था। विजन जरूर था, अच्छा करना है, बड़ा करना है और कुछ लोगों के लिए करना है। मैं खुद अपने लिए कमाऊं, कुछ लोगों को दे सकूं और मैं तो ये भी चाहता हूं कि लोग मेरे से कमाएं। इसीलिए आईपीओ का लॉन्च मैंने किया है और मैं करूंगा, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारे काम हैं जो मुझे और भी करने हैं। और आपको याद हो चौहान सर, आपने 100 लिस्ट बताए थे, ये उस 100 में का निष्कर्ष है, बाकी सारी चीजें तो और भी पूरे करने हैं। तो इसीलिए कुबेर साहब, एबंडेंस ऑफ वेल्थ, लाफिंग बुद्धा और इन्फिनिटी चेक, ये मैंने अपने यूनिवर्स से मांगा है। और आरवाईपी के सभी सदस्यों को मैं तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देता हूं। आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल टू यू ऑल। ये